You gotta open the card, honey.
This is the card?
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't look like really. It just like says something.
Let's see. Let's see what it says. Oh, that's not a card.
Yeah, I told you. But let me open this.
Okay.
Can you cut this?
Oh, it is a card. Look, it says, "Happy birthday. We hope you like your..." Open the gift first, and then we'll read the card. Turn it to the other side.
Can you cut like this?
Wait.
Oh, well, I guess you take the lid off.
Just open it this way, Leah.
Oh. What is it? Elsa and Anna blanket!
Oh my goodness! Wow!
From who?
This is from Grandpa and Grandma Sims.
I love it!
Look at the camera and say thank you.
Thank